In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to generate energy efficiency report in Windows Computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To generate energy efficiency report in Windows Computer, go to search. In search, type CMD. Right click on command prompt. Click on run as administrator. In command prompt, type Powercfg/energy. Now hit enter. Enabling tracing for 60 seconds, observing system behavior, analysis complete, and you will find the report in C drive, Windows System 32 energy report.html. Now I am going to open the file. Go to File Explorer, click on this PC, click on C drive, click on Windows, and then click on System 32, and here in search type energy. This is the energy report. I'm going to open it, and you will find here the power energy efficiency diagnostic report in details. This is the easiest way to generate energy efficiency report on Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.